When markets look like this over the last month, it becomes very easy to panic and worry and possibly make the wrong decisions. But we can learn from history. Nobody has a crystal ball, but success leaves clues. What you'll notice is over the last 60 years of stock market cycles, after every significant downturn, it was followed by an even more significant growth and bull market where people not only recovered, but they got ahead if they held and stayed, and definitely if they bought more while it was down. As an example of this is a client of mine who has an aggressive risk profile that year to date is down -5, but since they started, since initial purchase of units, are up year over year 10.32% annual compound return. Here's another example of a high risk client who year to date is down -7, but since initial purchase of units is up 24%. If you convert this to dollar loss or gain, for the first client, you'll see here that year to date, it's minus 1,700. But inclusive of that recent downturn, overall, they're still netting a net gain of almost $3,500. The second client, since the beginning of the year, is down minus $700. But again, overall, since they started, they've netted over $1,900. And that's just on a $7,000 investment. So just like in life, there are ups and downs in the stock market. Especially when you're down, it's important to be steady, logical, persist, and maybe pour it on even more, and you'll benefit much more out of that downturn than those who got out and panic sold. In every crisis or downturn, generally the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. And even though someone might not be rich today, they can choose to be financially literate or be financially illiterate. I can tell you that if you're prepared and knowledgeable, during a downturn is when you can make a substantial breakthrough. The choice is yours. All in all, investing carries risk, but so does staying the same. Those who do not invest are going to lose to inflation anyhow, which we know is inevitable. So if you found this video valuable, make sure you comment below and let me know. Thank you.